Hare Krishna Vani servants, welcome to Vanipedia. This tutorial is to show you how to translate a nectar drop in Vanipedia. The first thing is to get your login credentials from the administrator. Once you have received them, you need to log in, which you will find on top right on any page inside Vanipedia. Here you fill in your login details and click on login. Great, so we are logged in. On top you will notice 5 different tabs. Under categories we need to click on nectar drops. This will display all participated language nectar drops categories. Now we go to nectar drop translation tool by clicking on ND translation here. So this is our nectar drop translation tool with several tabs on top. So the first thing will be to select your language that you are going to translate into. So we're going to click on translation tab, and then under language we are going to select the language. I'm going to select Oriya for now. After selection of your language, you need to go back to English tab and choose a year, and then tap on translation filter, which will allow you to view all nectar drops those have not been translated yet. As you can see, for me 78 nectar drops not translated into Oriya. Now you choose and click on a nectar drop. Once you have clicked, the nectar drop will appear on the right hand side of the screen. You will be able to play and read the nectar drop.
This very world in which we are standing, this very platform, this will also be vanquished.
So now, to translate this nectar drop into your language, you need to go back to translation, and under text you will see 2 different tabs. You need to expand these boxes on the left box. You will have the English main text that you are going to use for translation. The right box is where you're going to place your translation. So I'm going to put my translation here. Okay, good. After we have placed our translation, you need to go to preview and click on show preview. So this is how it is going to appear after you publish your nectar drop. You can check your translation by playing the audio and matching your text. Once you are satisfied, you go back to translation and click on create nectar drop to create and publish your translated nectar drop, and then confirm. Great. Now you will see that our nectar drop is successfully created. Tap on the nectar drop link to open. So this is your nectar drop. Last, you will need to copy the link of the nectar drop and share it with your team leader. Thank you so much for watching this video. Wish you all the very best for your Vani Seva. Hare Krishna.